Merry Christmas, Automators. Great to spend a little time with you here on Christmas morning, hopefully, or, maybe the next day. Either way, it's been another year. I want to say thank you. I want to show you some of the stuff I get. It's kind of a perk of the job, honestly, but we get some gifts in. I got my coffee ready to go here. Merry Christmas, Third Reality, best gift of 2026. I'll be the judge of that. Okay, you guys be the judge of that. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. So first of all, that is quite the setup, isn't it? Dual plug, ZP1, a great little dual plug. I actually did a pretty good review of that. This is actually a really nice bulb too. I haven't measured the perfection in the color reproduction, but their little A19 bulb here, really great for Home Assistant, for example. But I'm more excited in this world because it's minus bloody 30 Celsius, which I think in this case actually means Fahrenheit too, right? Nice little mug here. Ooh, look at the bling on that mug. I tell you. Oh, this is okay, hang on, I get it. Pull off the cover. Look at that mug. That's intense. What is that? I don't know. Oh my gosh, wait. Okay, wait. Let's see. Wait, I can't do it. How do I do this? Okay. No, it's not working. Oh, I see. So the bling has a function. See that? And then look. Wait, is it doing it? This is a readout. There's a readout in here. I think this is powered. You are my sunshine. Oh, Third Reality. It's getting personal and I like it. Okay, I want to see the little sensor or whatever. Do it again. Honestly, I think that's a temperature sensor. Smart garage door opener. Now my dad is going to have one. He's going to be so excited about that, actually. Great product. Fantastic product. Matter water leak sensor kit. There's a lot of leak sensors in here. This sensor, kind of their older style, pins on the top, pins on the bottom though. And I like the new kind of branding on there. And then this looks like a little plug-in puck that's going to receive good pack. I gotta say, that is fantastic. I gotta wear this scarf the whole rest of the day. I hope you guys' Christmas is going super well. This is a part of the year that I always look forward to so much. So it is the best part of the year. Let's see what we got from Govee. Now, they're traditionally pretty good with these. They usually give you a light or something. And I got the sense that that's what this is, since on the back it says exactly what it is. No spoiler alerts though. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from the folks at Govee. Life is colorful. So let's start here with a card, because come on guys, we gotta have a little heartfelt moment here or there. Wait, it doesn't say my name on it. It says, "Dear valued Govee friend." Definitely a lighting product. One of my favorites this year from them. Actually, one of my favorites in the last few years. Sold like hotcakes. I can't believe how many, because I kind of get to see stats and stuff, right? At least from our own videos. So these are the Govee Christmas Sparkle string lights. This is the third generation of these products. Well, let's sparkle. Now, I don't want to wear these. They do actually sparkle. They're so pretty on the tree. I'm still wearing this. I look a little goofy. So I opened this one from Aqara. I didn't fully open it, but I mostly opened it. So this is less of an exciting unboxing, more of a quick unboxing though. There it is. It's a clock. And yeah, it's got the AM, PM right there. They've got all these things. They're flipping. The battery's going to go in the back. Like, that's nice, right? So a little instruction manual. I can't read that. It just got some little batteries here in the back. There's a little cover to kind of take off. Yeah, see, right there. So who's winning so far? I don't know. Well, it's time for the big box. Sorry, Aqara, I got to push you a little out there. SwitchBot always does some pretty wild things with their gift boxes. It says, Merry Christmas, you tech-savvy legend. Play into my ego. See it right there, guys? Proof. I am a tech-savvy legend. This holiday season, whether you're cozy at home... There. Nice little message inside. Okay, this, you know, their stickers, they always make my little niece and nephew kind of excited. And they've got some pretty cute characters. Like, SwitchBot's leaned into the cuteness factor. See? See? Look. What's his name? Nico. That's Nico. Super cuteness factor. Slay you soon. Slay? Was that a threat? Are you threatening me? SwitchBot safety alarm. I've never even seen this. What is that? Pull to alert, track with ease. Apple Find My. Pretty cool. It's an MPC key for your door locks too. You know, there's some people I'd like to, well, not track, but, you know, like help. SwitchBot presence sensor. You guys have been asking me about that one. This is the motion sensor footprint that they've had for years. You could put the little mount bottom, middle. Okay. Now hopefully I can get the back off. I could not get the mount on. Millimeter wave presence sensor. I just put in the batteries because I want to check this thing out right away. SwitchBot app, plus, add device, hub 3, presence sensor right here. Move the battery tab. I gotta push this button for 2 seconds. Discover, connect. Do it. Discovered. Presence sensor B9. Up to 8 meters detection. Oh. You can make the detection range shorter. Obviously, that's going to help you in terms of accuracy. Recommended settings 4 meters for compact spaces, kitchen, bathroom, 8 meters for open spaces. Turn on all the interference sources right now and set them to maximum fan speed. And then get out of the detection zone and then hit auto adjust. I'm excited to get this one. You guys can ask down below what I thought about it after a few days of playtime. SwitchBot also sent the SwitchBot candle warmer lamp. I went out and I bought candles that I could melt again and again and again and again, and it just keeps the home smelling pretty nice. And so this is a pretty fun video to make, and I don't make a lot of just like silly, fun, goofy videos. It's really because a lot of you come back every week and you know, you comment on the video or you're just watching or whatever it is that you're doing. Some of you are pushing me on my thoughts and my perspectives, and it pushes me to be better. And not just, you know, so I'm a better creator and I make more money and I do, you know, no, it's a responsibility thing. Like I feel that's my job. In the same breath, like for that to be my job, it's such a cool thing, right? Like for those of you who watched me in the first few years, really, should I have been talking for a living on camera? Probably not. Like I'm a super geek, and I'm not a super geek now. I'm super cool now. Really, what I'm coming down to is thank you. Thank you for being here. Thanks for coming and watching this on your holidays. Kick back, have some fun, and I hope you're doing that right now with your family on Christmas. So from me to you, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll talk one more time before the new year. So otherwise, guys, thanks for watching today, and of course, live smart.